Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making pork belly spring rolls. Let's start with making the pork belly slices. For this recipe, I'm actually making Korean Suyuk. The goal is tender pork belly that will melt in your mouth. So first dump all your ingredients into a large pot, excluding the pork belly. Once they're in the pot, we'll move it to the stovetop and let it boil. Make sure to stir the soup base for the pork belly. Once it's boiling, let's add our pork belly. Now cover and cook the pork belly for about an hour at medium-high heat. After about an hour, remove the pork belly, let it cool down before cutting into slices. As you're cooling down your pork belly, you can get your other spring roll ingredients ready as well. Here you can see I have onions, carrots, and cilantro chopped up. On the side, I also have vermicelli noodle boiled. Alright, let's assemble your spring rolls. Start off with your rice paper wrap. Add your cilantro, your vermicelli noodles, onions, carrots, and finally your pork belly. Now wrap it up. And now just repeat the process. If you don't like pork belly, you can actually use any protein of your choice. I also had some shrimp cooked on the side, which I will be using for this roll. Ta-da! Taste test time! Pretty good!